Hello friends, so today I'm going to tell you about Oppo A54 model. You know very well about the Oppo A54 model because this is very famous model of Oppo, and now today we are going to tell you about the Oppo A54 model, how to unlock, and what is the unlocking process for Oppo A54 model. So I today I'm going to give you some secret code of different type of code for Oppo A54. This is secret code. You can apply this code and unlock your phone at home without any help of service center and without help of any computers. So just you have to follow some simple step with me, and you watch this video continuously without a script. Then you will be able to understand about this process very well. So in this method is called offline method. As you can see the bottom, after swiping this, as you can see at the bottom of the on the screen, the emergency call button is here. So we have to press here, and now emergency calls only page already open. So we have to apply some secret codes, just I tell you in earlier. So this code is very different for, and this is and this is only applicable for Oppo A54 model. You just apply along with me and unlock your phone in very simple method. No, you can check, uh, you can note down or you can take a screenshot of this numbers, because if you miss the one digit, you can't unlock your phone. So this code is very helpful for you for Oppo who have Oppo A54 model. So please press. Process is the same. Just earlier you can see my all the video. Process is not differ. So after this, please erase all the numbers and apply master locking code. And this code you know very well. Star has 899 and has. And last one, there are so many options in engineer mode. You have to press after sales device calibration. Press OK here and go in the manual test and go with the sensor self test calibration. And you know very well there are two options and both options are not operated like as you can see on the screen. So we have to press here, same time we have to press here, again we have to apply. So now you can see uh, one option text pass, you can see here. And after that you have to press come back button, and go the M sensor test. Wait for synchronization XYZ. The three numbers are synchronizing. So wait till 10 to 15 seconds. Come back and check. So auto test. Now test is successful here. Again come back and go with the last others option. Rewrite important logs. Before rewrite important log test, press database version or mainboard version. What you have. So please press here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you can check reading reset complete indicator. It's showing pass. Come back. Key status, all are pass except 3 or 4 because this is not supported for this models. So come back and go with the rewrite important log test. Asking confirmation plus, but don't confirm, and again don't confirm. Third time you have to press OK. Now you can see wrong password is showing. It means your pin pattern already reset. So now it's time to click on home button, and we can check our phone is hands my handset is unlocked or not. And now come back here, and now as you can see our handset is unlocked and sitting at home. So with these tricks, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. See you friend. Again we will meet you in the with the new tricks and next video. Bye.